Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Um, I'm going to do another backtesting in commodities today because in last my previous backtesting I'm focusing on Nifty 50 and also some of the stocks. So let's take some commodity and we can go and backtest that. So let me pick up natural gas. So some people will use the Pepperstone, some people will use the capital.com. Okay. So I generally follow this capital.com. Somehow it is good for me to study, but it is up to the individual to choose the charts, right? So let me go to an hourly time frame. Yeah, it is already in hourly, and I'll just quickly go and cut the chart. Okay, so the price went to 2022 and April 30th. Let's see. So in commodities, I generally stop going to monthly time frame because in monthly time frame we do not have defined trends here. Okay, but there is nothing wrong to check in monthly also. Okay, if it is a defined trend actually. Yeah. So in monthly, if you see, it's superbly an uptrend in 2022. And in weekly, if you see, it is also an uptrend, right? So let me try to draw my supports and resistances. So based upon some weekly time frame, and yeah, so this is my superb resistance for now. One of the you know time in 2021, this is a superb resistance, okay, which is actually broken out, okay, and this candle is trying to take support as well. Now, I'll just quickly go and draw the resistance. Okay. So if you see after this green candle, right, there is no candle closing above that, right? So which means for me that is a huge resistance. Okay. And the all-time high is this ultimately. So we'll just keep it and leave. So anyway, the both the time frames are super bullish actually. Yeah. So now the thing is, can we become a bull? Definitely yes. Okay. So in daily, what is happening? The price went up and trying to came down. Now, where exactly we are standing? Okay. So if you see, we are exactly at this resistance now. Okay. And let me just go to an hourly time frame because I just want to do the back testing in hourly, and we'll see. Okay. So the price is near to the resistance, right? And also we became a bull, right? Yeah, and there is a huge resistance. Yeah, let me mark it in different color. Yeah. So now, ultimately, when the price comes to our support, we just need to go and see some reversals and go and buy. Yeah. And if at all, if it breaks this major resistance, yeah, and there are some certain conditions which we need to check before going for the breakouts. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Okay, so there is a gap up, not above the resistance, but some below the resistance, and there is a breakout happened at 330. Yeah. So yeah, since it is a small candle and that 330 candle, so we cannot really, bet on the particular candle. Let's see. Okay, there are some doji candles coming. Uh, so now we are at the resistance. Okay, and somehow there is a gap, but the gap is not sustaining and the price is not also moving very fast. So let's see what exactly it will do on the gap level. Okay, so if you clearly see this, no? So After this breakout, somehow this candle is closing below the breakout candle, and also this after the breakout this becomes the support after the breakdown. It is also confirming that it's a superb resistance, right? And also this inverted hammer told me that now it is acting like a super resistance. Okay. So now it will, comes under some fake breakout, setup or chart pattern. Yeah. And ideally it is indicating that the price they really want to go down. Okay. Now let's see, since we are bulls, right? Ideally we will just wait at supports. Yeah. So this is one of the intermediate support. Okay. I just want to see what exactly the price will do at this particular level. If it comes down, let's see. Okay, again it is taking the resistance. Okay. And this is the evening 6:30 candle. Okay. So somehow this candle again broke out this particular level. Okay, and the same resistance. Okay. And let's see what exactly the price is about to do, because for me this is a important candle because it is broke down that resistance, right? And even though this candle is breaking out, somehow it is not closing above the breakdown candle. Okay, so that's why I'm just a little bit skeptical. Let's see. Okay, the next candle also, not closing above that. Okay, so this guy has, closed above that. Okay, only the thing is, it's a high wave candle. So I really do not want to bet on that. Okay, because it's not a bullish candle for me. It's a high wave candle. So let's see what the price action is going to do after that. Mhm. Kind of another high wave candle. Okay, now some kind of bullish candle, but some huge wick is there here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so even though there is a breakout happened, right? So I don't see much bullish price action. Okay, the price is moving slowly. Okay, so now the thing is the price is slowly moving up. Okay, so for an example, anyway we didn't bet on this particular breakout. Okay, because I do not have much conviction on those candles. Okay, let's see till what level it will go, because after the breakout, no, the price ideally should go very fast. Okay, but here it is kind of very sluggish action. Okay, so let's see till what level it can go. Okay, since the price is moving up, right? Let's see where is my next resistances. Okay, so ideally we can draw it in daily time frame. Okay, here I don't. Anyway, we have drawn the all-time high. Let me see if we can get some huge resistances here. Okay, so there is this last bullish candle whose low is acting like a superb support. After that, it is broke down and it is acting like a resistance. Yeah, I know it is an intermediate resistance because I have been drawing it in hourly time frame. So let's see what exactly happens. Okay, it is actually reached, okay, till that particular level. Okay, and in fact it is breaking out, right? Okay, so now we didn't bet on this particular level. Okay, now what could be the learning over here? Okay, let's see, because this trade is success, somehow we are not going ahead with this price action. Yeah, um, let's see. So there is this gap. So gap could act like some good supports ideally. Yeah, at the gap, what happened? The price is trying to come down. Yeah, this candle. Okay. So this candle actually, came and fill the gap. Okay. And the gap is ideally act like a support, right? And this high of the candle typically important because it appears at the support. Okay. Somehow the high and lows are very important, and this candle also confirm me that they is very important. And let's check the volumes. Okay, the volumes are very huge in it. Okay, so there is only one baby inside it. Okay, the thing is, this candle has confirmed, that this after the breakout it becomes the support. Okay, so now I think we missed this particular point. Yeah, so gap can act like a support, and ideally we could have marked this particular candle to see some sort of setup to bet on that particular candles. Okay, so ideally this is a high wave candle, but somehow broken out. Okay, so could be some inventory kind of candle because it came on almost like 5:30. Okay, so not sure at that particular point of time when exactly the inventory will be. Okay, so but some high wave candle broke out that. Okay, but this I can consider as another weapon or another candle, a good candle to bet on because this candle is confirming me this resistance becomes the support. Okay, and the volumes are so very huge. Okay, so looks like in this particular candles, right? So the pairs were trapped. It's like, right, because even I just also went with a fake break out. Okay, that's why I'm little bit skeptical that the price can come all the way this level or maybe this level to bet on. But somehow, since the higher time frames are bullish, right? So it is trying to take this support, and then it gave a setup for us, and then it is went up to the next resistances, right? Yeah. So the learning in this particular video is, we should not ignore anything like the gaps and the candles which are appears at that supports. Okay, only the thing is what you need to do rather than just seeing the candles, marking high and lows of those important candles are very important. So yeah, which I missed in this particular back test, and we'll just keep this point in the notes, and will not ignore such kind of candles and the supports, and at least in the gaps level and all, right? So yeah, so nice backtesting in the commodities. This is the first time I'm just doing the backtesting in the commodity. So we'll come back on backtesting on different commodities, and also we'll see something on crude oil and silver, gold as well. Yeah, there are another commodities as well, like we have zinc, we have copper as well. Okay. So in my upcoming videos, so I'll try to do some back testing on you know those charts as well, and we'll see what kind of learning we will get it. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and you can also like my videos if you really like it, yeah? And share my videos to everyone so that it will definitely help to them. Yeah, thank you very much.